the dashboard will display any open offers. To navigate to an offer, click on the candidates, go to the offer detail icon. A tab submenu is displayed. To update the offer information, the recruiter can choose the order the menus are selected. The offer details information is split into a number of sections. The first section, Data Checks, displays information that is useful to the recruiter in order to make a provisional offer. In this example, the data check information reports that there are no prerequisites, and the information requirements, interviews, and attachments are all colored green, indicating that they have been completed. The candidate's notice period is shown. In this example, the preconditions and references are both colored orange, indicating that they are not currently resolved. To deal with the preconditions, click the submenu's Preconditions option. Click on the row edit icon. In this case, the request will be accepted, providing the scheme remains cost neutral to the company. This condition will be entered into the proviso field. The status will be changed to Accepted with Proviso. Click Save. OK. Click on the submenu's Offer Details menu option. The preconditions is now displayed green. Although the references are being shown as not currently resolved, for our example, references will only be requested once the candidate has accepted the provisional offer. Click on Edit. The offer details display is pre-populated with the policy information and information from the campaign setup. If necessary, under the offer form section, enter a cover note to the candidate. Taking into account the candidate's notice period, set a proposed start date. Set the offer salary and indicate the salary unit. Or, include a pay description. Enter details regarding the contracted hours. Check the benefits that are imported from the role. Confirm the holiday entitlement. Optionally, add an addendum. Confirm the offer expiry date. If required, enter any notes or instructions for the HR department. Once the offer information has been updated, under the pre-offer checking section, set the checked status to OK, to confirm that the information checks are completed. Optionally, add any notes. Click Save. OK. The status dot will turn green. This will enable the Make a Job Offer icon. Click on the Offer Letter Preview icon to preview the candidate's letter. If the preview is correct, click on the Make a Job Offer icon. OK. Click on the campaign or the role. The offer status has changed to Provisional Job Offer Made. The candidate will be able to suggest an alternative start date. If the candidate requires any clarification or has any queries, they will be encouraged to communicate via the chat facility. If changes to the offer are required, they can be made and the offer reissued as a new revision.